Hello and welcome to Crypto Capital. My name is Roshan and today we'll be talking about a very unique DeFi project which I'm very excited to know more and understand. And the reason I wanted to bring this project is we are kind of in this phase of the market where a lot of projects with hype kind of got pumped and there were a lot more scams in DeFi and NFTs and a lot of legit projects, but it's very rare when we find something which is being built upon by the community and actually something which could change the DeFi, right? This is a project which I'm very bullish upon. It's not public yet, and this is why kind of I feel like we are early to this atmosphere or to this industry. So the project I'm going to be talking about is called OPTYFI. OPTYFI helps you generate wealth in DeFi by investing in the most profitable risk-adjusted yield strategies. Now let's understand why this project is important and what problem this project is solving. So understand that I read the Medium article where they explained how there's so many different DeFi yield aggregator platforms right now where they give you interest in their native tokens, which sometimes you don't even know about or what these native tokens are used for, if the emission rate is too high, or if these native tokens are going to get rug pulled, if the contracts have been audited. There's so many different problems you feel when you're trying to earn a good juicy APY from a DeFi platforms. And the biggest risk among all of these is the emission rate, right? Like what if they're emitted so many number of times that the value of this token keeps going down? So even if you're making 20% interest in a year, you actually only made 1 or 2% because the emission was so high that everyone wanted to sell their tokens. So then what they're trying to solve is they're trying to help you get the best yield possible using optimized protocol, which continuously evaluates thousands of yield strategies in DeFi itself. So let's see how many strategies and what they exactly do. Right now, they are optimizing about 12,000 plus strategies from 150 plus liquidity pools. And they're about able to give us returns for close to 16.9% APY on a stable coin like USDC. Another biggest bullish thing about this project is, I don't know if you guys heard about Nevo, New Order DAO. They're an incubated platform which just recently incubated another DeFi project called Redacted or Butterfly. Butterfly went from $800 from its private sale all the way to $3,000 within 2 weeks of its public release. And every project, I think, Nevo or New Order DAO is being able to incubate is going to be something which is actually solving a real problem in the DeFi world itself. And next project they're going to be incubating is actually OPTYFI. That makes me really bullish upon them, and that also gives OPTYFI a lot more approach to the biggest DeFi developers, coders, influencers, and actual development itself. So these are the main reasons I'm really bullish about this project. OPTYFI will be used as a governance token, and that token will be given to everyone who's actually depositing in their application to earn those stable yields. Along with that, they'll be given a reward as OPTY token along with that. So as we get closer to the launch date, which will be probably close to January and February, we'll get to know more about the project itself and the IDO details and all that. For now, this is all we have for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do some more research. Let me know as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Hey, don't forget to subscribe the channel and please make sure to share the video if you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for watching. You have a great rest of your day. Bye.